This question is based on identities of chapter polynomials. Now, what does it say is that we have the value of x plus 1 by x, and we have to get the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. Now, when you look for the different identities, we have one identity where we can get x a plus b as well as a cube plus b cube is this. And the other one is this, where also we have the identities in the format of x cube plus y cube. But before we apply the identity, let's figure out what is xy. That means the product of these two terms will be 1 over x. X and x get cancelled. So therefore, we should look for an identity, right? The one where these get cancelled. So the most suitable identity for which this question can be done is this one, right? We'll be applying this identity. So let me first write down the identity in the expanded form. Like we have x plus 1 over x is equal to 7. And then we will be first cubing both sides. So, or you may simply do quick cubing both sides, or you can even expand using the identity. So if you do cubing both sides, what do we get here? This is x cube plus cube of the second term. That is x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 times x into 1 over x, that multiplied by x plus 1 over x. And then we'll find the cube of 7, right? So 7 into 7, 49 into 7 is 343. Now, what you can see here that here, this x and x get cancelled, and we need to find the value of this x cube plus 1 by x cube. We have to get the value of this. So we'll keep it as it is, as we have to find the value of this. Further, what we see that it is 3, and we know the value of this x plus 1 by x. I can replace this x plus 1 by x with its value, that is 7. And that is equal to 343. Continuing with the working, we will first multiply these two, that is 3 into 7, that will give you 21, which is equal to 343. And at lastly, we will transpose this. So we'll get x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 343 minus 21. As you know that if you transpose this on the other side, to 3 minus, if you transpose, we'll get minus. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, and then 3. So therefore, this becomes the final answer. What we had to get as 322 should be the final answer for this question.